Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can send an email to people who haven't opened it. So may have sent out a brilliant sales email. It's had quite a good amount of opens, but actually there's been quite a few people that haven't opened it. You can actually resend an email to people who haven't opened it. So I will show you how to do that now. So as always, go into MailerLite, go to the dashboard. This time we are going to go to campaigns and we're going to click on the campaign that we want to resend. So this one was sent 4 days ago. 255 people have received it, but actually 55% of people have opened it. So say this wasn't actually a sales email. This was just my weekly email. But if I wanted to resend that email, if it was a sales email, I wanted to resend it to unopened, I would click on more. I would click on resend to non-openers. And then I would resend campaigns. Now, it's important to know that you can't schedule a resend campaign. So you would have to come in and do this at the time that you wanted to do it. It does say here repeatedly resending may increase spam reports and unsubscribes. So this is something that you do want to use sparingly, but it is always handy to know if you're getting, so for example, you are sending an email out on the morning of cart close and saying cart is closing today. If at midday a load of people haven't opened it, you can resend that email. But as it says, it could increase spam complaints, it could increase unsubscribes. So use it sparingly, but it is handy to have in your arsenal to know how to do it.